Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the middle button to open the shortcuts menu. Keep holding it until you see the menu on the screen. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen or by pressing the up and down buttons. So scroll through the menu, find the watch face option, and once you find it, you can press the middle button if it's selected, or simply tap on it to enter. And here we have the watch face menu. We can scroll through it by pressing the buttons or by swiping on the screen, and basically we have the list of watch faces we can select from. So find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it or press the middle button to confirm, and then you can select the color, and we have couple different colors of the watch face, as you can see. So find the color you like, and then tap on it or press the middle button to confirm, and the watch face will be applied on your watch. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.